take your headlights from this to this. Let me show you right now. So what do you do to fix dull headlights? One, your first option is replace them. That's going to be very expensive depending on the type of make and model of your car. Two, you could bring out a polisher, but what happens if you don't have a polisher? That's why we brought out the Chemical Guys Headlight Restoration and Ceramic Kit. Everything you need is inside this kit. It comes with a microsuede applicator. This microsuede applicator is going to allow us to rub the ceramic coating across the headlights to protect our results. It also comes with a dual polishing hand pad. So it has a white side and an orange side. This is just depending on how aggressive you want to go on your headlights. So like this, you have light oxidation, you could use the white side. Heavy oxidation, you could use the orange side, or you could also do a two-step polish by going heavy, then light to refine your headlights. It also comes with this Monster Extreme microfiber towel. So it's a premium microfiber towel that's going to allow you to buff off any residue. You guys can see this tag. Let me just make sure to remove it, throw it back into my box. I'll put this on top of the car. Now let's get into the fun stuff. So inside here, it comes with our Chemical Guys Headlight Restorer IQ. This is going to not only restore the plastic, but it's also going to bring out a nice reflection on it. So it comes with a 4-ounce bottle. And the star of the show, to protect our investment, is going to be HydroCharge Plus Ceramic Spray Coating. So these products right here are going to allow me to transform the shine and look on this headlight. As you guys can see, I already went ahead and masked up my headlight. You guys can see that this Honda actually has a very intricate headlight. So if you're new to polishing or anything, I recommend masking it off using blue tape or any type of tape you have on. If you're a professional, just go ahead and just do it straight. But in this occasion, intricate areas, I masked up the area. Then you grab your Headlight Restorer IQ and your polishing hand pad. I'll shake up the bottle, open up the spout, and I'll be adding about 1, 2, 3 drops of Headlight Restoration IQ onto my applicator pad. And then I'll go to the area and I'll blotch it out. And then I'm gonna start working in this polish side to side. Now what Headlight Restoration IQ is going to help me remove is all the oxidation sitting on the headlight. Now over time, whenever your car is outside in the sun, it's going to take beating from the UV rays, and that's why your headlights turn dull over time. But do not worry, using this Chemical Guys Headlight Restoration Kit, not only are you going to rejuvenate the look of your headlights, but you're also going to be saving money in your pockets. So just by doing a small pass, you guys can see a big difference from here to here. So let me just keep working this in, and then after that, I'm gonna refine the finish by flipping over to the white side and refine the finish to enhance more clarity to these headlights. Now, whenever you are working Headlight Restoration IQ onto the headlight, what you want to do is work side to side. And then whenever the polish turns clear, you simply grab your microfiber towel and just buff off the residue. Look at that. Now, the good thing about having a hand applicator pad is if you do have intricate areas like this headlight, the hand applicator pad is actually going to contour onto the surface of the headlight. So you guys can see, this is why I also mentioned taping up the area, just because if I do go over, rubbing on the tape. But for the most part, this applicator pad is doing an amazing job at contouring to any area and restoring the headlight. So now that I finished applying Headlight Restoration IQ to the whole entire headlight and rubbing it back and forth, you guys can see that the clarity came back out to this headlight. But I want a better finish. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get my hand applicator pad, flip it over to the white side, and repeat the same exact step using the white side just to refine the finish once again. So let's just do that really quick. So now that I finished working in the polish using the white side of my applicator pad, I'm simply grabbing my microfiber towel and just buffing off any residue left behind from the polish. And you guys can see a night and day difference. I mean, whenever I started off, you could even see the bulb. I didn't know that it actually had halos in here, but it actually has halo bulbs in there. But now, the cool thing about the Chemical Guys Headlight Restoration and Ceramic Kit, it actually comes with a ceramic coating. This ceramic coating is going to help you protect your work. So like this, your investment is protected, and your headlights are also protected. So I'll grab my 4-ounce bottle, I'll grab my microsuede applicator, I'm gonna spray some onto my applicator pad, and then I'm gonna go to the headlight and then just work it in side to side. Now, this is one of my favorite parts to do. Just like this, I know and I have peace in mind whenever I park this car back outside. It's not going to go back to yellow or hazy, and it's fully restored. And like this, by using this Chemical Guys Headlight Restoration and Ceramic Kit, I don't need a single tool whatsoever. So if you're, like I mentioned before, if you're a beginner, a weekend warrior, or a professional, if you're also doing this for a business, you can make so much profit by using this kit. Rub it on, put your applicator pad off to the side, let it sit anywhere from 30 seconds to a minute. Come back with the short pile of the microfiber towel and just buff off any residue left behind on the headlight. Now, the cool thing about HydroCharge Plus, within 24 hours, your headlights are going to get more slick. If anything lands on them, such as liquid, bird droppings, it's not going to etch itself into the plastic pieces. So all I'm left to do is just remove this tape. I will show you guys the finished results. And just like that, we restored the headlights back on this Honda Pilot using the brand new Chemical Guys Headlight Restoration and Ceramic Kit. The headlight looks like a night and day difference. You could actually see the bulb, you can see clear. But as always, if you guys would like to pick up your kit today and save your hazy headlights on your car, you can find this kit on chemicalguys.com or drive down to a local detail garage. As always, we'll see you guys next time. Damn.